Is it time to buy or sell Box stock? In this video, we will explore Box in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025. And now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies around the globe today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 21st of August, 2025, our system has categorized Box as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.26. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a loss of negative 0.06%. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.02% since its classification as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases. The present 3-month trend points to a potential change of negative 16.28% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 18.80% to negative 11.92%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a change of 0.232%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 8.47% and positive 24.7% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $28.52 and $38.66. Our latest daily update for Box features the headline "Red Day on Tuesday for Box Inc. stock after losing 0.83%. The Box Inc. stock price decreased by 0.83% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025, dropping from $31.42 to $31.16. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.52%, ranging from a low of $31.16 to a high of $31.64. The price has shown volatility during this period, with a slight gain of 0.32% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased by 1 million shares on the last day, despite the declining prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 3 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $90,220,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $38.80 and a lowest price of $28. Currently, the price stands at 19.69%, or $7.64, below the 52-week high of $38.80, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Box rallies after today's second quarter fiscal 2026 report. The company exceeded earnings expectations, and management indicates that enterprise demand for its intelligent content management platform is accelerating. This growth is driven by artificial intelligence agents that unlock value from unstructured data. Shares rose following this positive earnings report and signs of increasing customer momentum, which includes new distribution partnerships in Asia that expand market reach. In the short term, this combination, an earnings surprise coupled with optimistic AI messaging, often draws momentum buying and reduces short interest. Thus, we can anticipate higher trading volume and price volatility as traders pursue this narrative. Over the medium to long term, sustained growth will depend on 3 key factors: continued revenue expansion from AI-driven upsells and higher average revenue per user, successful execution of international distribution and partnerships, and margin leverage as Box scales its platform. However, there are counterweights to consider. Fierce competition in the enterprise AI sector and execution risks around monetizing unstructured data could mean that today's surge may diminish if growth slows or guidance falls short. Fundamentally, though, consistent adoption of artificial intelligence and expanded go-to-market channels would likely support a higher valuation over time. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Box a positive rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned Box an underperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Box a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, it was reported that Raymond James assigned Box an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Box a market outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Box stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Box. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, August 14, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 0.42%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, which may influence the near short-term development. The Box Inc. stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, contributing to a more negative forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During corrections upwards, there will be some resistance from the lines at $31.46 and $32.12. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 43 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 49 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Box. Box Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $31.06. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 475 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which is 1.52%. For the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 2.18%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Box, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a subdued outlook for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 26th of August, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at 31 cents. It is advisable to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Box. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Box is at $36.87. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Box encounters its first support level at $31.06. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Box from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 8th of August, 2025, Nottebohm Olivia conducted an insider sale of 2,013 shares of Class A common stock. On the 21st of July, 2025, Nautagom Olivia conducted an insider sale of 2,013 shares of Class A common stock. On the 10th of July, 2025, Levy Aaron conducted an insider sale of 15,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 10th of July, 2025, Berkovich Eli conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 8th of July, 2025, Evan Dana L. conducted an insider sale of 7,590 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 6.826. Overall, insiders purchased 1,435,412 shares and sold 1,248,014 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Box stock a good buy? Box Inc. presents several negative indicators and is currently in a downward trend, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 27th of August, we anticipate that Box will open higher by approximately 15.8 cents, starting at a price of $31.32. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.